right, here we are. Fiesta Americana Funeeq. Let's have some fun. Hi everyone, David Manzella with Fiesta Americana Traveling Meetings and Events, Posadas Hotels and Resorts, and we are here live on location in our brand new project called Fiesta Americana Funeeq Punta Cana. We're going to show you around today all the exciting things that are going on at this property, Fiesta Americana Funeeq Punta Cana. Good. Here we are in one of our standard guest rooms. As I mentioned earlier, we will have 494 guest rooms and suites, all offering a variety of different views, from ocean views to pool views to beautiful property views. In addition to the 494 guest rooms and suites, we'll have over 20,000 square feet of meeting space, indoor, outdoor, flexibility for your next meeting or event here at Fiesta Americana Funeeq Punta Cana.